Hello guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to get a highlighted cursor. First of all, you gotta go to the site called Real World Graphics. I'll put the link down in the description. After you go to the site, press Gallery. After you go to the gallery, search up Cursor Highlight. Press search, and you'll see a bunch of icons and stuff, and cursors. Press this and press Downloads. After you press Downloads, you'll see a bunch of cursor highlights in different colors. You can choose what color you want. I'm going to choose blue, and what I'm going to do is click Download. This will not give you virus. It will not give you virus to your computer, and it is free. After you download it, you need to open the file. 1 second. Press this and go to Downloads, and you can see this, right? Right click and press Cut. After you press Cut, go to C drive, go to Windows, and press Cursors. Now what you have to do is right click. You can right click and press Paste, or you can simply press Control V. I press Control V and it says this. After you do that, it's pasted here. After you do that, search up mouse settings and press additional mouse options. Press pointers, and if it says none, that means press this, press browse, and you look for the cursor you downloaded. It's right here. Press open and press apply. Now I have blue highlighted cursor. After you do that, you can save it as blue highlight cursor or anything you want. You press OK and you're ready to go. Thank you guys for watching. I will see you guys in the next video. Goodbye.